Hey, you bunch of weirdos, welcome back to Evil Air Projects and Builds. Hey guys, before we kick this project off, I need to tell you, safety, safety, safety. Safety is smart, right? Protective gear, mask, gloves. We're going to be playing with some acids. We're not playing, we're actually taking it quite seriously. 2 types specifically. We're also going to have some lab grade equipment here, and that means our protective gear needs to match that lab grade quality, right? It's a great way to do it. So what are we doing? We've done this before. We're refining silver. You know I love my silver. Love silver, and I love refining it, and I love chemistry, especially the math.
Wow.
Don't get overwhelmed by this. This is just to tell me that all I need to dissolve 925 silver is very common, right? All you need is 660 milliliters of distilled water mixed with 220 milliliters of nitric acid, right? Nitric acid is dangerous, and this does give off a poisonous gas. I cannot stress that enough. This stuff will damage you. You need to be very careful. And that should dilute or put into solution 241 grams of the 925 silver. So we got to make this shot so it breaks down easier. We're going to do that. And then we're going to put it into solution, and we're going to just watch it just dissolve into the liquid, and then we're going to pull it out of it, wash it, clean it, purify it if we need to again, so we can make ourselves another big old bar of 999 silver.
Let me set the record straight for a minute. Hate, I get it, say it with them. I don't give a I'm cool with it. Play and peep the fans with them. Yeah, they gon' remember mine. Yeah, you are not it already. He an outlaw getting off when he calls envy. Hit the peanut gallery, they all jelly. Yeah, they gon' remember mine. Yeah. We let them say what they gon' say about us. That ain't nothing, I ain't bothered, not a problem. Haters hate, another day in dollar. Keep your money, rather have you pay the homage. Delay the profit, we go freeway on it. Yeah, don't ruin nothing, copper. If you need reminded, holla at your Siri, ask who I'm. You can find them on the app. Yeah, they call me Peaky Blinders. You bet your bottom dollar, I'm a classic. 64 Impala, me, I been the plug. Plead the fifth when the name it get brought up. Real legend never die. Still with the business, you should probably let it lie. Side for a 9, that's Korea suicide. Tell her one time, forever in my prime. They remember my name. Yeah. They gon' remember my. Yeah. I've been making y'all believe they remember my name. We ain't not the same, no. Real since day one, and I ain't gon' change up. Remember my name. Now I was born of the fire, sworn to a higher code. Get lighter up, lit, bit out the entire goal. We gon' level up, corner office the entire flow. Put the B of A on wheels, I ain't do anything on a lighter note. Yeah, hit on brass tacks, fact is kinda dope. Serving people like the Kona stove. You could call me butter, kinda feel like I've been on a roll. Party never over, how the model still go. They remember my name. Yeah, they gon' remember my. Been making y'all believe they remember my name. We ain't not the same, no. Real since day one, and I ain't gon' change up. Remember my name. Yeah. Real legend never die. Still with the business, you should probably let it lie. Side for a 9, that's Korea suicide. Tell her one time, forever in my prime. They remember mine. Real legend never die. Still with the business, you should probably let it lie. Side for a 9, that's Korea suicide. Tell her one time, forever in my prime. They remember my name. Yeah. They gon' remember my. Yeah. I've been making y'all believe they remember my name. We ain't not the same, no. Real since day one, and I ain't gon' change up. Remember my name.
Alright, so there it is, right? We still got some poisonous gas coming out of it. It's about 9, 10, maybe 12 feet away. Distance is weird to me. But let's talk about what we're doing and what's going to end up happening next. So before we move into taking the silver out of solution and making silver chloride, we need to know a couple of things. One, we're not going to get our full amount of weight in our yield. We're going to lose some because we're taking out copper. Therefore, when you take something away, it's going to get lighter. It's not going to all of a sudden magically get denser. So roughly we got about 7.75 troy ounces of weight in there. That's the copper, that's the 925 all together. Once we burn out all that copper and impurities and all that other stuff, we're going to end up with a very different number. We're actually going to end up with 7.70. You're basically going to be losing about 7.5%, because that's what 925 is, right? It's 925.925. And then what's that other 7.5%? It's usually copper or some sort of other metal. Sometimes they use brass, sometimes they use something else. This solution only burns out the copper. So I checked all the stuff beforehand to make sure that it makes sense. So yeah, bluish green color, red dangerous poisonous gas. And we let that cook out for a while on this little heat plate, and we see what we get next. Let's go.
Welcome to forever, man. Let's go. Come on. It's forever. No surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. And there will be no surrender. Now allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me J-O-N to the easy E-N. Know that we undefeated. Y'all are beneath them speeches trying to air a grievance, but his lines are overhead. Better check the air for clearance. Call the tower. This is ours. Clear the heat, the air apparent. Really, I've never been better. Legacy, this is forever. All the more times I've been severed. I'm raising the bar. You can go ahead and measure. Think about time for a toast. Time that we welcome to go. Yo, we're just leaving. I think about time that somebody go get them their coat. You know I got all that anthem. Come back in what you call that add-on. Got anthems and bands with masters getting them right like my name was Miranda. I ain't bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. One more time. This is forever. Remember the legend. He never gon' die. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Dead than alive. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. Just making sure that you know why. Because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. I am just leaving a legacy. I am the one that they paid us. Got something to say to me, say. You know I've been waiting so patiently.
Alright, so now what I'm doing is decanting the liquid out into my solid waste bucket. However, I still think there's silver in this. So what we'll do is we'll probably drop in some copper pieces just to bring whatever out of solution. Plus I have a little waste flask over there as well. Some's gonna get in there. That's alright, we'll recover that. But yeah, what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna let that settle down a little bit more, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the white powder that's in here. It's slightly turning purple. The reason why it's turning purple, UV sunlight turns it purple. It doesn't do anything to it, just turns it a different color. You'll see more of that here in a minute. Then our next phase, while the waste sets, we're gonna add lye, water, and sugar to kind of bring it back out into what is known as a silver cement. Looks like dirt, gray dirt, right? Instead of a fine white powder or purple. In this case, it will turn into more of a grayish cement color. And that's what we're really trying to get to, because we really want to melt that. Technically, I could melt this powder right now, but it's going to put off so much gas, and it's just a mess. And the truth is, you're still not completely clean. You're still going to have a lot of chloride in there as well. So let's get all this cleaned up. Add our lye, water, sugar, stir, and probably repeat in a few weeks because I got more silver coming. Let's go.
I am just leaving a legacy. I am the one that they paid us. Got something to say to me, say. You know I've been waiting so patiently. This is my legacy. Y'all don't believe me, then wait. Basically, I have been running things. You can just go on and take a seat. Yeah. Loving they hating me, putting on everything. Not on my level. You could be the enemy. This is the plan that we showing them anyway. Hit up the lawyers and give them the NDA. Woo. This is the brand new. This is the brand new. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can't do. And there ain't no thing that you'll be taking from me. Man, that came from nothing. Made it something. Name is buzzing. Call me Ryan Gosling. Hey, gon' know that they gonna love me more when I'm gonna retire the throne. The kind of things that I'm gonna be feeling like a god, because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever.
I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Dead than alive. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. Making sure that you know why, because this is really I never been better. Legacy this is forever. Really I never been better. Legacy this is forever. Really I never been better. The legacy live on forever. Yo, remember the legend and know that he never surrendered,
because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever.
Something that I picked up, and a quick shout out. These are 5-ounce bar molds. I got these from PMC. They're not a sponsor of the channel or anything like that. When I see craftsmanship, I just want to share that with you. So yeah, I like the fact that the mold's on this side and the other side's flat, because when I bring them together, it will create a smoother line into it. They've got a little valve in it to get rid of any gases as they build up in there, so you don't get those empty blot parts in it. Yeah. So yeah, we got to heat these up, because we got to bring these up to temperature. We got to bring our silver up to temperature. That way we have a nice clean pour. I'm thinking I'm going to do a 5-ounce one with these new deals, and then do an Evil Layer V coin. You've seen those before. I made them out of pewter. I still have the molds for that. So yeah, let's pour some of this stuff and see what we get. Let's go.
Set me free or give me death, yeah. Living good, I've been blessed, yeah. Shout out all my enemies, all the best. You can set me free or give me death, man, I'm on my way, yeah. Y'all can find out, you on timeout. You been dealing with the devil, where you sign at? Yeah, oh Lord, you getting financed. Me, I'm talking ownership, baby, that's where my mind at. Try that, yeah, me, I threw my money down. And you know that it's good, we can skip the run around. And I don't need no yes, man, I'm all the way down. Yo, and I am not for sale, that's in case you couldn't tell, but y'all know better now. You can set me free or give me death, yeah. Living good, I've been blessed, yeah. Shout out all my enemies, all the best. You can set me free or give me death, man, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. Man, I'm on my way, yeah. And I can do this all day, man, I'm on my way. Said I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. And I can do this all day, man, I'm on my way. Said I'm on my way. Real life better than the internet. Keep what you been selling, I ain't into that. We are doing business, this is simple math. I invest, you know I get it back, you believe that? Yeah. They asking what the fame like, tell them hang tight. Let me holler when the pay right. Put that on my damn life, you know I'm the man, right? Show them what the plan like, but y'all look slow, don't understand right, yeah. So tell me how you feel, baby, cause I've been working all the way up to a meal, baby. Yeah, man of the year, how I feel lately. You know the deal, baby, you know the drill. Yeah, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. Man, I'm on my way, yeah. And I can do this all day, man, I'm on my way. Said I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. And I can do this all day, man, I'm on my way. Said I'm on my way. You can set me free or give me death, yeah. You can set me free or give me death, yeah. Shout out all my enemies, all the best. You can set me free or give me death, man, I'm on my way. Living good, I've been blessed, yeah. Living good, I've been blessed, yeah. Shout out all my enemies, all the best. You can set me free or give me death, man, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. Man, I'm on my way, yeah. And I can do this all day, man, I'm on my way. way, said I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. And I can do this all day, man, I'm on my way, said I'm on my way.
Alright, that's it, weirdos. We're done. I'm calling this one a wrap. I think we're at good enough. Can we do better? We can do some polishing, but I think you guys see me do enough polishing on this channel. You probably don't want to see that again. We hit it roughly. I think that's going to be good enough. We did an evil layer coin. Boom. You may remember these from previous videos where I made them out of pewter and I stashed them around the Comic-Con. Yeah, so okay, evil layer V coin. However, the stamps did not show up very well on here. I'm still trying to figure out why not. I think it has something to do with putting it to the end and it's shifting a little bit, but it's really bad. It's bad. But that's all right. We can always remelt it, refine it. We can do what we got to do. First, we got the little 1 ouncer. These things, as you can see, not that much, right? It's pretty dense metal, being silver, but it is an ounce. And we got our little 999 on there, and I went ahead and stamped it with a maker's mark as well. I don't know if that's coming up very well. There we go. So we went ahead and stamped it 999, and we put a maker's mark on it, and this one came out better. I'm really proud of this one, so please be gentle in the comments. All right, we got a 999 5 ouncer. Again, with our little maker's mark there, kind of kilted off to the side. So how do I know they're 999? I mean, I followed the process, right? But how do you really know at the end of the day? Technology generally helps with that, right? So I had a friend of mine who's a jeweler, and he's got one of those little special scanner thingies, and they actually popped up as 9997. I'm going to tell you right now, that's the purest I've probably made anything in all my videos here. I am extremely proud of that. Like, I can't tell you, like, I know most of you probably don't do this kind of stuff on a regular basis, but to be able to do that, I'm super proud of it, especially here, my humbled evil layer. So I'm just as humbled about that as you coming by. So that's pretty cool. We got some scrap left over, and that's obviously not the full 9 ounces there. The coin came out just over an ounce. The 1 ounce is spot on, and the 5 ounce is spot on. So I got some scrap over here from the trimmings. We'll melt those down and probably put them into another type of bar or something. If there was any tips that I have to offer here, don't do 1 ounce bars. Don't do 1 ounce bars and 1 ounce coins. If you're gonna do this, make it the bigger stuff. Stuff like this. Honestly, when you do stuff like this right here, it's easier to pour. You don't have to mess with it. I don't know if you noticed in the video, it was really hard to do because the spouts are so small. You get a little older, hands get a little shakier, it turns into a mess. But when you gotta do something like this, boom, just pour it in there and it's done. Pretty cool. All right, guys, I think I'm going to call it quits on this one. It's getting late. It's a new year. Hopefully it's going to be a good year for all of us. So talk to y'all later. Bye.